Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I would like to talk about how to fix Palworld is having crashing issue. It is not launching, won't launch, freezing, stuttering, lagging, low FPS drop, stuck on loading screen, and even many more issues such as low fatal error, BXG error, and many more error which is happening for many of this right now, and how we can fix it. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about we have to start with a simple restart. So just go over here, click on this one, go over here and do it. Once the restart is done, just check, and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. So you can try with a simple restart. Sometimes a simple restart can fix an issue, so you can try with this. Moving to the next one is all about we have to launch the game from the installation folder, not from the Steam. So to launch the game, we just need to go over here at the game, right click, go to the properties, go to installed file, click on browse. So over here, if we can check, this is the installation folder that will take you straight away to the installation folder. Now from here, you have to launch the game. This even helped many users. Apart from this, you can also go to the file explorer, navigate to this PC, go to local disk D, that is where the game is installed in my case. Go over here in the D, go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to common, scroll down and navigate to Palworld. Just go over here and you can launch the game. This even worked for many users as well. So just try it away, launch the game from here instead of launching it from the Steam. Next one, we need to run the game as administrator, and also we need to run the game in the compatibility mode. To run the game as an administrator, right click, go to show more option, go to the properties, go for compatibility, click on run this program as an administrator, go for apply and go for OK. And also you have to click on this one, run this program in the compatibility mode. You have to set this to Windows 7, go for apply, or you can set this to Windows 8, go for apply. So either you have to try with Windows 7 or Windows 8, or we have to try with Windows apply over here and click on run this program as an administrator, go for OK and try launching the game. Once you're done with this one, just move to the next step. Next step is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to delete the saved game file. So if you're having any folder over here in the game, for the game, just go to the My Documents. And if you find the folder, just delete the folder like this. When you started playing the game, you'd be having a folder like this one. So just delete the respective folder. So you'll be losing all the progressions in the game, but that is fine. Just delete it and you can try continue playing the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to allow the game to Windows security. So just go over here, search for the control panel. You have to search for the control panel and click on this one. Now from here, go to system and security, go to Windows Defender Firewall, go for allow an airport feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Keep scrolling down and we have to navigate to Palworld. So just scroll down and navigate to Palworld. So imagine whether the game is here, it is added. So right now, as you can see, the Palworld is added. So just make sure the private and public both is marked. So if the game is not here, just click on the change setting, go to allow another app, go for the browse, navigate to the installation folder, go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to common, select the game from here, Palworld, and we need to add this. So right now I'll be getting the error. The game is already added. So if you don't find the game, don't get panic, just add the game and that will be fine. Now we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about we need to unplug all the USB devices. So it might be connected with a lot of things. For example, external joysticks might be connected, or external keyboards might be connected. Many more things should be connected. So we just need to unplug everything. Once everything is unplugged, we just need to try launch the game and we have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Next one is all about we need to perform a clean boot. So just go over here, search for system configuration. We need to click on this one and we just need to go over here, go to the services, go for disable all, go to hide all Microsoft services, go for apply and go for OK. So just do a restart. Once the restart is done, just try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to disable the Steam overlay. So just go over here in the game, right click, go to the properties. Make sure if enable the Steam overlay while in game, if it is turned on, turn this off. And we need to try launching the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, just go over here, give the commands in the launch option. So the first command is DX11 and you have to check whether DX11 is not working. If DX11 is not working, try with BX12. If BX12 is not working, try with B3, B2. That is very important. So you have to try with B3, B2. And you can either try with BX11, BX12 or B3, B2. Try with all these things. That's gonna work you guys in most cases. Just close this and go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to close all the overlay application. So just go over here in the start menu, right click and go to the task manager. Sorry, just go over here, right click, go to task manager. And right now, what we need to do is, as you can see, there are a lot of things running in the background, and all these things under 53 apps, all these things are running in the background, which is affecting our performance. So just remove the unwanted things from here. Once everything is removed, just use this, go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to go to the next one. That is all about we need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So just go over here, search for the graphics settings, and we have to click on this one, and we just need to go over here and we need to add the game. Just click on add desktop app. Now from here, navigate to this PC, go to local list D, go to Steam library, Steam apps, common. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to Palworld. Now from here, add this, go to add. Once the game is added, just scroll down and navigate to the game. And once the game is successfully added, we just need to make sure that you have to cross check whether it is all done. So what we need to do is just scroll down once again and make sure it is added. So we need to find where the game is added. So Path of Exile, movies, Hell Travels, Grand Theft Auto. I think I missed it somewhere else. So we add it once again. Palworld should be added. Okay, here it is. Palworld is added. So just click on this one. Make sure the GPU preferences should be high performance and go for save. And now go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to increase the virtual memory. Just go over here, search for View Advanced System Setting. Click on this one, go to the Advanced tab, Settings, Advanced. Make sure to change, uncheck this, select the game where select the disk where the game is installed. It is D. Custom size, set the value for initial size and a maximum size. Now go over here, search for calculator. So we need to type the RAM. So 16 GB is my RAM. Should be multiplied with a constant value 1024 and multiply it with 1.5. That is 24576. Copy this and we need to paste it. Make sure the maximum size 16 GB multiplied with 1024 and we have to multiply it with 3. That is 49,152. Copy this and we have to paste it. Now once everything is being set, just try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to update the Windows. So just go over here, click on settings, just go to update Windows over here at the bottom. Just make sure the Windows is up to date. So if you're having any kind of cumulative updates, we'll be having many trouble. So make sure for these kind of games should be updating the game to the latest version. So it is very important. Moving to the next step, that is all about we need to update the graphics card. So I'll be providing a link in the description to the graphics card. So just go over here to the NVIDIA, to the AMD and to the Visual C++. So the NVIDIA users just go over here and we need to select every details, like if the system is based on GeForce, select this one. System is based on GeForce 16 series, select this one. If the system is based on GeForce GTX 1650, go for Windows 11 and go for Find. And right now, once it is done, we just need to go over here and we need to download the latest driver version. The system is based on F66.36, which is on December 10th, 2024. Download this one. If the system is based on this one, if the system is based on RTX, now from here, select every details over here and go for submit. If the system is based on Windows 11, download this one. If the system is based on Windows 10, we can download this one. Also, if the system is based on Microsoft Visual C++, try downloading this one and install. If the system is based on x64, download this one. If the system is based on x86, download this one and install. That's going to help you guys out. Next one is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to, after trying with all these things, still if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is we just need to go over here and we need to verify integrity of game file. So just go over in the game, right click, go to the properties, go for installed file and just click on the verify integrity of game file. which is actually a very good step, which is gonna cross-check every single files of a game, and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this. So I'm gonna catch up you guys after once it is done, because it is very important. So once afterwards, I'll be showing you a bunch of steps which can also be done. That's going to fix the issue up. So right now, as you can see, 519 files are successfully validated, which means we are fine with all the files of the game. So you can try, still if you're having the trouble, just uninstall the game and reinstall it back. So to do this, just go over here, go to the properties, go to installer file, not this one. Just go over here and you need to uninstall the game. And right now it is on D. Try installing it back on C, or you can try it on E. And once it is done, most probably that's gonna fix you guys up. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on these kind of videos. I'll be back with another video the next day. See you soon. Have a nice day. Have a happy Christmas.